I'm Shivi. Today I will tell you something about the Dragon Boat Festival. You know? Cause I know. Today, Hong Kong is celebrating the Dragon Boat Festival. It is a traditional Chinese festival that honors culture, teamwork, and history. People enjoy exciting dragon boat races and delicious rice dumplings called Zongzi. Do you know what the Zongzi means? Zongzi is a traditional food. I want to eat that of the Dragon Boat Festival. It is a tasty rice dumpling wrapped in bamboo leaves. I want to eat it. I feel so hungry. Happy Dragon Boat Festival to everyone! Wishing you joy, good health, and good luck. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.